We are now at Chinatown.
We're on the top floor having cocktails and seeing the laser show. Okay, 57.
Gorgeous up here.
Yeah.
Right, we are now at Chinatown. Picture.
Just like that, we are in Little India.
From Chinatown to India.
When in Singapore or Little India, try with the
You can actually make your
locals.
way back from here. If you want to wander around Little India on your own, you can actually
That's
lead
very
away
good.
from the group from here, or you can send you back to your hotel.
All right, getting myself ready for that Delhi trip that we're flying now non-stop from San Francisco. I can't wait to get that to see the Taj Mahal, the real thing. But it's very nice here. A lot of color in this area. Let me show you guys. There's color everywhere. The fresh fruit. A picture of that. Something smells good here. Look at the jewelry. Very nice. Yay, so I bought a souvenir, a little Indian bracelet. Do you know the name of this? Or what's it called?
Huh?
Do you know the name?
This is a bracelet.
Bracelet?
Huh?
Does it mean something?
Huh?
Does it mean anything?
This is the Bangalore.
Banglo. Does it mean peace or lion?
Line.
Means bravery or
Ah.
something? Very nice. Thank you. Okay, he was not having it today. He was not explaining nothing. I barely got him to come over to show me things and find my size or anything like that. He was like, $2. I'm like, okay, so this is what I got for $2. A little big. I have to squeeze it, make it smaller, but I like it. So it's my little souvenir from Singapore / little India. Made it a little bit tighter, but we'll see how long it'll last. I hope I don't turn my hand or fingers green for $2 Singapore. It's like $1 or something. But if I wear it for a day, it'd be cool. All right, did a quick change as you can see. Put some pants on, nice little shirt, and did what my mother called a hoe wash. Get the particulars. And I'm meeting the crew at the Marina Bay. We're gonna be on the top floor having cocktails and seeing the laser show. I hope I got enough energy. I need another espresso shot or something because I am like one tour to the next, so stay tuned. It's at the 57th floor. So we're at the Marina Bay Sands. I picked up a straggler with me today, crew member. The other crew is already up there. We're running kind of late. Actually, they're running kind of early. They just left us. Okay, they really know how to decorate trees here in Singapore. Strike a pose, girl. Look at this. Gorge. So we're heading up there to the 57th floor to Lavo Restaurant. 57th floor is more. Halfway there, folks. Okay, 57. Open. Oh, the towels. Elbow. All right. Hi, we're supposed to be meeting friends here.
Are you the name of?
I don't know what their last names were.
No, I don't know either.
They were having cocktails?
If they're having drinks, you can proceed to the bar. Go straight before the stairs on your right.
Okay. I see a bar. So I gotta get me a Singapore sling. Hi. There they are. Ni hao. Hi. Look at Miss Purser here. You clean up real nice. Sling here, right?
Yeah,
I had my first one.
but Singapore Sling is not under the happy hour, yeah?
Is that in the happy hour?
Yeah.
How much happy hour is it? I'm happy.
Happy hour is actually 1 for 1.
And then Singapore's is regular price?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll have that. Yeah.
Then have one.
I gotta have one, yeah. And maybe he'll be nice to make me two, you know. Customer service. I don't know what that pineapple drink is, but I had that in Zurich. And I've been dying to go back to Zurich just for that pineapple drink.
Is that a liqueur?
I don't know, maybe it's something they use in it.
I have that hamster thing, but I didn't.
It was that's what the drink comes in. I don't know what that was. Well, I'm over here with the camera hold down. This drink right here, folks. Oh, look at that backdrop. Singapore Sling. Okay, sidebar. I was at that table with the lobster appetizer plate. This is power, people. Meanwhile, we had truffles, fries that are all gone. So crew-ish. Because of the rain, they won't let us go out the patio, so this is kind of what I get until we're able to go outside. Just in case I can't go outside, there's a glimpse of the rooftop. I'll probably get copyrighted with the song in the background, so who knows. But I was there earlier on the other side. That's where I was earlier and took the pictures with that, the waterfall coming out of there. Right about there. The buildings. There's real trees here. A cute little place. Nice little wine cellar.
The last time I was here,
The drinks keep coming.
didn't exist.
Look at that. Frozen.
Nothing.
You see it.
This was like
What was the name of your drink again? You remember? All right, we're still here. Thought I'd give you the night version of it. It is gorgeous up here. Look at that, folks. All you need is love, 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 love. Just a photo op, girlfriend. That's all we want. Now we're watching the laser show. Okay, folks, this is not your grandmother's mall. Look at this. Christian Louboutin, Tom Ford. Look at the gondola coming in the mall. One way to go shopping. Angelina from Paris, the Coco.
Never thought I'd be taking pictures of a mall.
Me either.
Here we are.
And Rudolph over there. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's go home day to San Francisco. Yay, yes sirree. It was a beautiful time here in Singapore. I had about 36 hours and I think I went touring for 36 hours. Barely got some sleep, but I'm so glad to be going home. I got the weekend off and I have one more trip and then we're on vacation. Can you guess where we're going? Because you guys are going too, so you got to guess where we're going. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel and video. If you're new to this channel and found me, hey, how you doing? I'm Sky Bobby, and this is Sky Bobby TV. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and notification to know when I make my next video. You never know when I'm going to pop a video. And I am always on Instagram, Sky Bobby TV. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It ain't my fault.